Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. As promised in my last video, I'm here to give a review and a little tutorial of the Mielle Avocado and Tamanu Antifrizz collection. Now I have 4 products from this collection. I have the shampoo, I have the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, but also the curl perfector cream. Now, if you're wondering, this is an old hairstyle. I did a tutorial in one of my previous videos. Oh yeah, I'm just having some fun here as usual. Always having some fun while filming for you guys. But I did this hairstyle in a previous video. But this time, instead of using the Eco Styler gel, I used the Daddy gel, which allows for much more flexibility. Alright, so let's get right into it. So first off is the Avocado and Tamanu Antifrizz shampoo. Now here is the consistency of it. It's kind of like a gel consistency, not super duper thick or thin. The scent, however, it has a very strong perfume scent. I can't put my hand on it exactly. It definitely does not smell like avocados, but it is a strong scent. So if you're not a fan of very strong scents, you're not gonna like this one. This shampoo does come with a pump applicator, which I find works great with the consistency of this shampoo. Here I am using the product. I did wash my hair twice, however, I did not need to because I was able to get all the gel out from the first wash. Now, the hairstyle that I had in previously did use a lot of gel. And I was quite impressed that I was able to get my hair clean with the first wash. Usually I would have to do 2 shampoo washes. I will say this, however, this shampoo is not moisturizing shampoo. It did not moisturize my hair. It did, however, clean my hair quite well. I would more describe this as a clarifying shampoo, even though it is not marketed as such. My hair felt clean. I don't want to use the word stripped. It felt very clean, like squeaky clean. Next up is the Avocado and Tamanu Antifrizz conditioner, and as you can see, the pump came broken. I received these 4 products in my May 2023 Curlbox, and yeah, I'm a bit bummed that this came broken, but nevertheless, we're still gonna try this product out because I want to give you guys a fair review. All right. The consistency of the product, it is quite creamy, which I like. I like thick, creamy conditioners. My hair loves thick conditioner. The scent of the conditioner complements the scent of the shampoo, just that it is a bit more settled than the shampoo. So here I am trying to use this product without the pump, and it is so thick. I had a moment trying to get this product out. Now, serious, this is real time. Yeah, it was horrible. It was horrible getting this product out. I did manage to get a little bit of the product out in the beginning, but y'all, the struggle was real. The struggle was so real. I ended up deleting some footage because I had forever here trying to get the product out, but I did finally get some of the product out. apply this to my hair. And yeah, I could tell going on that my hair would love this conditioner because of the consistency. It is thick, and my hair is thick, and my hair loves thick conditioners. I did ended up using a little more conditioner. Although my hair is short, it is quite thick, so I needed a little more, and I had to go through that same process only because I have no pump. Okay, so now the moment of truth. Was all of this worth it? Um, yeah, it definitely was. I was quite surprised of the amount of slip that I got from this conditioner. Um, I, this might just be my favorite conditioner. Wow, the amount of slip. I am still shook. I am shook. Although my hair is short, I do have tight coils, and not many conditioners have done this for my hair. Been able to detangle with just passing my comb once. I don't think I haven't seen that much. I haven't seen that much. So all the hassle that I went through trying to get this conditioner out, it was definitely worth it. This is a product of all the products in the line, this is the one that I would recommend the most. This is the one that worked the best for my hair type. So if you have a hair type that is similar to mine, I do recommend that you try this out. So this was definitely my favorite product of the entire line, although I didn't have a pump. I did apply the conditioner as recommended. The directions stated to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, which I did, and at the end of the last 5 seconds, rinse with cool water, and I did that. However, I did put my hair in twists because my hair tends to get tangled up quite fast. So yeah, I'm just having fun, wash days should be fun, taking care of your hair should be fun. Yeah, just having some fun. Next up is the leave-in conditioner. Now this leave-in uses the cold application technology, which means that it had to be placed in the fridge prior to use to be used. And as per the scent, it smells exactly like the conditioner. They both complement the shampoo. However, the only thing is they are a lot more subtle than the shampoo. The shampoo has a very strong scent. All right, so here we go. The consistency of this product is a light creamy consistency, which I like for leave-in conditioners. I don't like watered down conditioners, leave-in conditioners. My hair don't like them. I like my leave-ins to be a little bit creamy, which allows for some slip and easy detangling. All right, so of course afterwards I read the instructions, which said that it had to be shaken prior to being used. So take two, I shook it and now I'm spraying it back, and yeah, the consistency has changed a bit. It is a little bit more runny, but still I like this. My hair likes these types of leave-in conditioners. I also retwisted my hair in small twists, only to avoid any tangling. Last but certainly not least is the Antifrizz Curl Perfector. I didn't show myself using this product only because it was getting kind of late, and this product also required being put in the fridge prior to use. So by time this would have gotten cold, it would have been too dark, and yeah, I wouldn't have been able to get good footage. But basically what I did was apply it to my hair and did these small plaits in my hair, these small braids. So this is the next day. I'm getting ready to go to work, so what I did basically was apply some olive oil to my hand to take down the braids. I also wanted to mention that I decided to go with braids because I tried applying just a cream to some strands of hair, and it didn't do anything for me. I guess it's probably my curl pattern. I have a mixture of patterns in my hair. The top, the center, and the back are different curl patterns. So yeah, I started off with the back and it didn't do anything for me. So it didn't curl. When I say it didn't do anything for me, it did not curl my hair. So I ended up going with just single plaits. I did allow my braids to air dry before going to bed. And removing the braids, I'm not so impressed. I'm not so impressed. Here's the final look. I do like the style. I did a mohawk. However, I was looking for a lot more definition, which I didn't really get. There were some areas that were more defined than others. I believe those are the areas where I did my plaits, my braids a lot tighter. And overall, the product did not leave my hair super duper moisturized. By the second day, my hair did feel a bit dry. I will, however, try to reuse these products and give the cream a second try. There you go. This was my honest, unbiased review of this product line. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps support this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.